Morning. Hi. I'm straight chilling with my mom, Becca.
Oh my god, I can't walk on this.
She's so cute.
I can't walk on this. Oh my god, why? I'm a mom.
For today. I had to be your mom one day. Yeah. But we're gonna go paint a parking spot. And get some coffee. We're tired. We had to babysit drunk people last night.
Well, I didn't.
Kind of semi. She just chilled on the couch
I was
and
just
played
there.
RuneScape.
Yeah, I was playing RuneScape on the couch.
I almost got stabbed with a crossbow and a sword.
Oh yeah. We had the weapons.
Yeah, they had weapons. And we played Monopoly. But that failed. Your hair, my hair.
Look at this.
Look at this.
I have an alpaca.
Tail.
Tail.
I like my tail. It smells like funnel cake though.
It doesn't smell like tail.
Has no reason to smell like funnel cake. This is really dumb. Poof, poof. I washed my hair for the first time in a week and 3 days. Because my scalp doesn't produce natural oils. Alright, well this is gonna end. This has to end. It must end because it's dumb. Mom.